First of all, I would want to present revolutionary greetings to Umar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam, Gulfisha, and Miran Haider, and all activists who have been wrongly imprisoned, who have been falsely implicated and has been criminalized for voicing their opinion, for voicing their dissent. Sath, we should also give all our solidarity and our revolutionary salutes to all those activists who have been imprisoned and who have been wrongly implicated in the Bhima Koregaon case. We know how in this country, or day by day, dissent is being criminalized. How the women of this country, how the minority sections of this country, how the Muslims of this country are being criminalized for voicing their opinion, for voicing their dissent in this country. We have seen how when in the entire country a movement is being built against the NRC, the Islamophobic, the unconstitutional, inhuman NRC, CAA and NPR, the government had continuously tried to repress the movement, had continuously tried to attack the activists and attack universities as well who were leading the movement. We know how there had been a continuous attack on the universities of AMU, Jamia, JNU and campuses across the country, as well as on the women of Shaheen Bagh and women of Bagh Circus in Kolkata, or in different parts of the country where such movements were being built, and the women, the Muslims or the minorities and all the oppressed section, and together all the democratic forces of this country were together saying that we will not tolerate, we will not allow this country to become a Hindu Rashtra. We will oppose and will continue to oppose all such anti-constitutional, inhuman laws like CAA, NRC and NPR. And after that, we have seen how one after the other there has been a continuous attack on students, there has been a continuous attack on activists. And despite that, the people of this country have not given up hope. We have continued to keep fighting. We have seen how the farmers of this country had built a strong and a successful movement against this regime, against this fascist regime. And it is with this same spirit that we need to strengthen and we need to fight our further struggles as well. We need to strengthen our fight to ensure the release of all our activists, of all those political prisoners who have been wrongly implicated and are behind the bars. We need to strengthen our fight in order to fight against this Hindutva regime, in order to fight against the NRC, CAA and NPR and all such draconian laws that this government has tried to bring in. So I would not want to extend much. Again, revolutionary greetings and red salutes to all comrades, and let's stand united and collectively lead this fight against this regime and bring down this fascist Hindutva regime. Thank you.